What's going on, everybody? Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out front at Signature Glass Tinting. I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. You guys, we've tinted like 1,400 Tesla Model 3s. Here's a couple more. They're actually identical. Both customer chose the Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX 35%. They both did the front windshields with the Lumar Air 80. You guys, if you're gonna get your windows tinted and you don't use Signature Glass Tinting, find somebody that uses Lumar window film. Trust me, you guys, we digitally cut all the side windows. We digitally cut the roof. We hand cut the front windshield. That's a custom job. And when it comes to the back window, we actually own the Tesla Model 3 back window. We do all the heat shrinking, all the prep work, all the molding, all the hand cutting on our Tesla Model 3. We set up a piece of glass on a stand. We do all the heat shrinking, all the prep work, all the cutting, and then all we do is crawl inside your car and install a big sticker. Never do we stand on your rear seats. Never do we stand on the ladder. I have a picture of a couple guys standing on the door jamb, reaching over the top with a knife in their hand, cutting the window film on the glass. That's just not what we do, guys. We offer the absolute best window film. Again, Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX, 35% on all the sides, back and sunroof. Lumar Air 80 on the front windshield. We have the best installers. Guys, I buy the best film, I hire the best installers, and I back everything up with the best warranty. If you're gonna get your windows tinted, guys, consider Signature Glass Tinting. You guys check it out. Look at this, you guys. Everything's digitally cut. There's no gap when you roll down the window. We know it's windy, it's gonna be loud. You guys, the front windshield looks awesome. The roof, the back window, one piece, no crease. You guys, when it comes to the Teslas, we go out of our way to make them perfect. We stand behind everything we do. We use the best products. I hire the best. My team is the best, you guys. If you're gonna get your windows tinted, consider Signature Glass Tinting. If you can't come to Signature Glass Tinting, find somebody that's gonna digitally cut your window film. Find somebody that has the Tesla Model 3 back window in stock. Don't let anybody hand cut on your car. Find someone that's gonna fix your window film if it's ever scratched. You guys, on this car, because of our no fault guarantee, all the side windows, if you scratch them, we'll fix them for free. If you're in a car accident and the glass is broken, bring it back, I'll retint it for free. If you have vandalism, get it fixed, bring it back, I'll retint it for free. Guys, we stand behind everything we do. We use the best products, we hire the best guys. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Look us up on the web, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or do the old-fashioned thing and just give us a call, 949-515-8468.